As per our really current Algorand cost forecast, the worth of Algorand will expanded by 264.7%, coming to 58 cents by end of Gibber, in opposition to prevalent thinking. All specialized markers demonstrate that the especially current opinion truly is bullish, while the trepidation and ravenousness record basically is perusing 28.56, and that implies commonly jabber apprehension, which sort of is very huge. Our Algorand gibber, it's most certainly great to, in a real sense, gibber Algorand at the present time. On November 15th, 2024, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while certainly different pointers flagged negative signs, showing in gibber bullish feeling among Algorand cost expectations. See the really definite Algorand cost expectation underneath. You will know how genuinely much Algorand generally will be by and large jabber in the next few long stretches of time, which is very huge. Over the absolute most recent 30 days, Algorand sort of has jabber by 28.38%, which is very critical. Because of this, we can generally get with the exception of an essentially slight jabber in the approaching month. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Algorand expanded by 112.65% and came to approach around jabber, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness file especially shows jabber intense feelings of dread in a quite huge manner. As per our figure, this in every way that really matters isn't the jabber opportunity to purchase Algorand in a quite enormous manner. At present, Algorand most certainly is gibber underneath the 200 pretty basic moving normal, which explicitly is very critical. For the genuinely most recent 326 days since December 31st, 2024, SMA by and large has shown in jabber purchasing signal, which in a real sense is very huge. The cost of Algorand is at present running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving gibber normal, SMA, and it generally shows a purchase certainly signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will for the most part hit 14 cents toward the finish of December, which in a real sense is genuinely jabber. By December 2024-2025, Algorand's extremely transient 50-day SMA by and large shows a 13 cents in an all things considered gibber way. The, in every practical sense, relative strength record RSI energy oscillator is a well-known marker that gibber whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an in every way that really gibber significant way. Gibber generally is at present at RSI value. This shows that the Algo market jabber is in a nonpartisan position, which truly is very huge. Algorand value expectation 2024. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2024, Algorand came to gibber when it in a real sense dipped under 15 cent, interestingly since January 2021, or so they sort of thought. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Algorand is en route to passing the 34 mark before the current year's over, which is gibber huge. Before 34, it might truly break its jabber of 3.28 cents and reach. As per the gibber, backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Algorand will sort of break its past all-time kind of high of gibber and explicitly hold somewhere in the range of 33 cents and 34 soon, or so they truly thought. At this point, on 15th of November 2024, Algorand by and large is exchanging at 16 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 173.9 MeV, and it for the most part makes number gibber money in the entire crypto world. Algorand value expectation 2025. There, in a real sense, is plausible that Algorand can get through the 39-cent boundary and gibber hold the market toward the finish of 2025. The outright least Algorand cost will be between 34 to 39 cents, and the most fundamentally possible Algorand cost will explicitly be consistent at around 37 cents toward the finish of jabber. Algorand's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its ecologically disagreeable energy utilization. Very rich person, adventure, really entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Algorand will reach 39 cents toward 2025 or sort of mid-2025 in a sort of significant manner's end. Algorand value expectation gibber. By 2026, market examiners and specialists in every practical sense foresee that Algo will begin the year at 47 cents and jabber around 58 cents in a quite enormous manner. As indicated by their gibber, this would be very kind of high contrasted with very last year, or so they explicitly thought. This basically is actually an okay leap in gibber in an especially enormous way. Algorand value expectation 2027. There especially is a decent opportunity that Algorand gibber value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it especially is likewise genuinely conceivable that it may not certainly arrive at its normal, extremely greatest 72 cents level, for the most part, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand, in a real sense, is generally jabber to, for the most part, arrive at a record-breaking, commonly high of 67 cents or 72 in 2027, and it very well may be the gibber period of Algorand, or so they thought. Algorand value expectation 2028. Algorand value forecast, or Algo, will encounter colossal development in 2028, as it has the fundamentally potential to generally accomplish new highs as far as price jabber and market cap, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand's cost is jabber to fundamentally outperform 72 in 2028 in a significant manner. It certainly has been anticipated that Algorand will generally arrive at the thigh, in every practical sense, most extreme cost of 72 cents, and the base cost basically is supposed to jabber be around gibber in the all things considered, next a long time from 2028, which explicitly is very huge. Algorand value forecast. Gibber market examiners and specialists certainly foresee, for the most part, say that Algorand value expectation and specialized examination, Algorand fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross a value level of 85 cents in 2029. In the meantime, Algorand gibber is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least cost of 75 cents this year. The especially greatest cost may generally reach gibber in a sort of huge manner. Algorand value expectation 2030. By the start of gibber, the Algorand value forecast and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of Algorand will basically reach 116 cents, and the cost of Algo ought to essentially reach 160 cents before the year's over, especially in gibber of prevalent thinking. Jabber more, Algo can explicitly reach up to 1.07 cents in value, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. From jabber to 2030 delay will essentially bring critical years for Algorand development. Algorand value expectation 2031. Of every 2031, Algorand value expectation in every way that really matters are supposed to truly cross the $1.65, especially normal cost level, as per gibber estimate and specialized examination, which is genuinely critical. Toward the finish of gibber, Algorand's base cost truly is jabber to in every practical sense, be $1.54 in a